Happy Sunday, guys. Bill McMillan here with you with your Sunday morning weather brief. A strong spring storm system is impacting the region this morning. We are getting into some briefly drier air across southern and central Indiana as we record this just after 8:30 Sunday morning. But showers will redevelop rather quickly here over the next couple of hours. The Storm Prediction Center continues to include southeastern Indiana under a marginal risk of severe weather later this afternoon. The primary threat, and though we're not looking at organized severe weather here across Indiana, would be from a large hail perspective with one or two thunderstorms that potentially may develop across southeastern portions of the state early this afternoon. Now, to our east, across Ohio, a much greater concern for the potential of severe weather, damaging winds, potentially even a couple of tornadoes, and then large hail. Certainly a concern for our friends to our east later this afternoon, where thunderstorms will be much more widespread. As we look at the forecast radar here and go through the late morning hours, notice how showers redevelop across central Indiana. And then as we progress into the early afternoon, that's when we'll be monitoring things closely across southeastern portions of the state. Notice how, though, as we press forward, that becomes much more organized and widespread across Ohio into the evening hours. So certainly some active times ahead. Meanwhile, can't forget to mention the threat here and likelihood of a wet accumulating snow from northeastern portions of Illinois into Michigan, and maybe even clipping northern Indiana. As colder air wraps in here later on this evening, a few snow flurries and light snow showers can be expected across even central Indiana late tonight and very early Monday morning. That won't amount to a whole lot. As we look ahead, though, the next storm system of note arrives Wednesday evening and Thursday with additional chances of potentially strong to severe thunderstorms. Much more on that as we go over to ndwx.com All Access through the upcoming week. Make it a fantastic close to the weekend, and we'll talk with you soon.